AliExpress order cancel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can cancel AliExpress account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to cancel order from AliExpress, first of all it depends upon how long has it been since you placed the order, because the order could have already been packaged, sent to the AliExpress warehouse, which in that case you will not be able to cancel it. But if it's only been like 1 day or 2, then in that case you can still cancel it if the seller has not started the packaging process. You can go ahead and then open up the AliExpress app to check its status of it. Then after that you can just go ahead and then log in, tap the account icon from the bottom right. Then from here you can just go to my orders and then just tap on the view all button. So when you tap on view all, you'll be able to see any sort of orders, whether they're all or unpaid or processing order or whatever else. Then you can select that order and tap the cancel option to cancel it. That's all it takes to cancel your AliExpress order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.